Service in Portland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Clackamas County in northwestern Oregon, eastern Marion County in northwestern Oregon, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Breckenridge Springs, or 11 miles northeast of Detroit, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Clackamas and eastern Marion counties. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.